Hey everyone, welcome back here. And as you can see, I have two OnePlus 7 Pros here today, but I'm going to talk one only because this is the one right now. It's running on the ColorOS latest version. Alright, let's unlock it with the fingerprint. There we go. It's very fast here for the fingerprint. And this is the latest version. I'm not sure which version, but let's check. So I've just installed the latest update yesterday. As you can see here, ColorOS 12.1 with the .30 version. So I assume this is the latest version, same as the OxygenOS released for the global one, but it's not available yet. So yeah, let's see about. Alright, it just says improve system stability, and the security patch is still on August, which is not a good thing. It's already almost November here and we still have August. Well, OnePlus, I think this is like almost the end of the update for this OnePlus 7 series. So let's see here what we have. This is the status bar. There are a lot of customizations where you can customize your settings. Okay, let's go back to the settings and see what else we have. The personalizations. So we have always on displays here. As you can see, you can choose your types of images you want. For example, I'll just get a small panda, it says. Okay, but you have to like, let's see if it works. Okay, we have to download, and I just applied it. Apply. Okay, it should be done. Let's turn off the screen. There we go. So it's even moving. It's animated just now, as you can see here. Alright, so it's cute. And I think the ColorOS here, we have more options, more images to choose from compared to the OxygenOS 12, which I haven't tried yet because it's not ready yet. I mean, for the global. So this is the thread here posted on the OnePlus community. It says that the OxygenOS 12 is now here for the global version, but unfortunately I don't see any updates at all. So I'll just wait for the one which is going to be released for the global model. All right, the .31 here, which is the global one. I'm going to wait for the update and I'll show you guys as soon as I get it. All right, let's go back to the settings, and we have home screens. You can customize your home screen, your lock screen, raise to wake, everything else. Recent task manager, so you can show your RAM memory available. So the +5 here is a standard version, which means it increases the RAM by using your storage, but it's just a feature and I'm not sure if it's fully working. Right, so let's see the display. We have dark mode, light mode. The light is very bright, which until now, 2022, this OnePlus 7 Pro still has a very great, display, a great design, a whole seamless full screen display, right? Compared to the ones right now we have here in 2022, where they still have those cutouts. And I still think that I prefer the pop-out camera here because, as you can see, full screen here is the best thing I've ever had. All right. Okay, let's set back to dark mode first, and then we go to the sound. We still have the Dolby Atmos here, as you can see. Advanced, let's see what we have here. Okay, and the notification and status bar, so you can also customize it. I think, yes, you can choose a battery icon, horizontal. Alright, you can choose to display the network speed and the icons you want to show. more settings. All right, let's go to this. We also have face unlock here, but as we all know, it's not secure because you can just spoof it by using a picture of the face. You can just unlock it. So we have fingerprint. All right, it's working very fast as I've just shown you guys. Just put on your hand. There we go. It's very fast. And the battery. So I would say that the battery here is quite good actually compared to OxygenOS in my opinion. All right, I'm not using it heavily, but it still feels very fast. And I turn off this high performance mode, so I think that helps reducing to drain the battery. All right, apps. We also have the app cloner here, where you can clone your app to another version of. It means that you have two of the apps, and you can log in to one of it to one account to another account. So yeah, you can have multiple accounts in your phone. Split screen, we also have this feature, so you can just split it, as you can see. And then what else we have? All right, special features. Okay, we have flexible windows, which I have shown in my previous video, so you can check that out. And all these are basically the same thing as I've shown earlier, like I said. So right now I'm just showing you guys like if there's anything new, or like if it's faster, anything else. This Bruno is a voice assistant, all right, in China. System settings, screen recording, screenshot, OTG enhancement services, developer option. Okay, so yeah, we have the 6 gigs RAM here with 5 gigs extra by turning on the add-on. You can show the refresh rate, which is 90 Hz. And as you all know, I always set the Windows animation scale to 0.5, so it feels faster. Okay, in the developer option. So if you want to do so, you can just install it. About, so 12.1, right? Okay, there we go. That's the one I'm talking about, the RAM expansion. Okay, so you can expand your RAM. So I think that this ROM is actually very okay. It's good. It's going. It's nothing wrong here. There's everything working fine. Your camera app is also working. It's just the normal camera app, same as before. No any updates or improvement. Okay, everything just works fine. Your video, you still have your 4K 60. Your selfie here, as you can see. Your wide angle, your telephoto, everything works fine. As for the volume, it's still also good. Alright, can't show it here, but yeah, it's still loud and clear, which is good. The power button. So we have restart or power off function here. Right, so yeah, that's it for the ColorOS. So I will say that it's really, there's nothing much else to expect already, because this is the last update from OnePlus for the OnePlus 7 series. So yeah, if you want to have something new, something different, you can just install the Pixel Experience ROM, which I just showed in my last video. You can check the video and see, right? This is the Pixel Experience 13, which is based on Android 13. As you can see, they are very different here. This is the notification bar, the home screen. Of course, I still feel that the Pixel RAM here is definitely faster. Okay, it's faster than the ColorOS or the Oxygen OS. Let's try a quick test here by launching the Play Store in 3, 2, 1. Okay, this one loaded here first. Surprisingly, alright, maybe it's because the internet here, is faster. Let's try another apps, like maybe let's try, let me see what kind of apps I can show you guys. Okay, not much to show. Maybe a Google Maps. Okay, no. Okay, let's just try the settings. Alright, settings, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I haven't closed it. Let's see again. I've closed everything. Settings, 3, 2, 1. It's definitely faster here on the Oxygen OS. The Pixel experience. Okay, it's not Oxygen. Sorry for the mistake. Yeah, so that's it for the video. And yes, as I have said earlier, I will install the Oxygen OS 12 on this model here, the ColorOS one, as soon as it is available for the global version, and I'll compare you guys. Alright, so do subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos and stay tuned for my next video. Peace out.